How to cut pomegranate fruit easily. Cutting a pomegranate can be a bit tricky due to its tough skin and juicy seeds, arils, but with the right technique, you can do it easily and mess-free. Here's a step-by-step guide. What you'll need: a sharp knife, a cutting board, a large bowl of water, a spoon, optional. Steps: cut off the top, crown. Place the pomegranate on the cutting board and cut off the top, the crown, about ½ inch below the crown to expose the seeds. Score the skin. Look at the top of the pomegranate where you cut the crown off. You'll see white membranes that divide the fruit into sections. Using the knife, score the skin along these membranes from the top to the bottom. Make shallow cuts, being careful not to cut too deep into the seeds. Break open the pomegranate. Gently pull apart the pomegranate along the scored lines. It should naturally break into sections without much force. Remove the seeds. Submerge one of the sections in a bowl of water. Underwater, gently pry the seeds out of the membrane using your fingers. The seeds will sink to the bottom while the white membrane floats to the top. Collect the seeds. Once you've removed all the seeds, skim off the membrane and any peel floating on top of the water. Then, drain the water and collect the seeds. Enjoy! Your pomegranate seeds are now ready to eat or use in recipes. Tips: use a spoon. Optional if you prefer. You can tap the back of the pomegranate section with a spoon to help release the seeds. Wear an apron. Pomegranate juice can stain, so it's a good idea to wear an apron or an old shirt while cutting it. This method is effective in reducing the mess and makes it easier to enjoy the juicy seeds. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.